Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be replacing my bathroom exhaust fan because my current exhaust fan stopped working all of a sudden, and I have checked it thoroughly that what is the issue, and it seems like there is something wrong with the motor. This is the exhaust fan I'm going to be installing here. 250 mm ventilating ducted exhaust fan, and it's in white color. 45 volt motor voltage. So it's a very simple, and that's how it looks like from inside in the picture, as you can see. Alright guys, so how you gonna take this off? You just put your hands a little bit here, and then that's how it's come out. So easy. So there are some screws you need to unscrew it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one has come out. Now this one. 4 screws has come out. Now these ones. Right, so this come out like this. And now this one. And now this third one. This one was already loose. Alright, so I will take this off slowly because behind this it's plugged in. Alright, so first this thing come out, and I'll put this away, and I will show you how this, I'll show you how it looks like from inside. So I need to unplug this like this. As you can see, this is the thing. I just need to take it out, and then now I'm going to install a new exhaust fan. So these are some instruction manual. You can go through this. Guys, I've taken out this exhaust from this box, and now I'm going to take off this cover from the top, and it's got these hooks. So these hooks goes under this to make it locked completely. So this piece will go into this one, and that's how you're going to, so I'll show you. So now it's fixed like this. Okay, so the next step is this one. So make sure it's completely tight so it doesn't come off. So you need maybe a plier to tighten this. So now we're gonna put this onto the top of this one like this. Alright guys, so I'm putting this under this. Alright, so I have plugged it in. Alright, so I'll put this into this one, and I'll make sure I'll open this.
थोड़ा बड़ा तो नहीं है ये देखो ना ये यहाँ से अटक रहा है हाँ.
Alright, so I have put this in, and now I need to tie it with the screwdriver. These two clips goes into the hole, so it will make it tight with these clips. So I'm trying to put these clips into those two holes. So guys, we have successfully attached the cover onto the ceiling after 9 or 10 attempts. And I hope you liked this video and you found this video really helpful, and you can be able to do it yourself by watching these videos. So please share this video as much as you can, and subscribe my channel for all the latest upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.